Hello and welcome to PCOrganize.com. Guys, if you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button for support, and if you really like the video and want to be notified when we release a new video, please hit the notification button at the end of the video and we'll notify you when we release a new video. As for your information, we make lots of videos on how to resolve computer problems, and if you have having problem with your computer, maybe this video or any of the old videos we have made might help you, so don't forget to see our other videos too. Please also don't forget to comment below any questions, any thoughts, any disagreement, and we'll try to reply as soon as we can. Now thank you for listening, and let's start with problem solving. Hello guys, today we're gonna show you how to change the hard drive on lenovo ideapad 320. Just bring it up for a zoom for you to see it. So just like any other computer, obviously turn it over and remove the screws at the back. Wherever you see screws, just take it off. So this is like pretty straightforward, really. This cover to take it off. Few of them have like a double-sided tape, and they have like little clips inside, so it's a bit difficult to come out. But this one, once you remove all the screws, just make sure you you take all of them, and it's literally comes up. Just want to brought a little magnet here because the screws are a little bit short. They're not coming out with my little drill here. We're just removing the CD now. This computer hasn't got actually a CD-ROM, it's just a pretend one. It was just left there in case you wanted to install an extra one. So we're just gonna try and remove now. So you put it on the side and try and find like start from the corner with a with your hands or with a plastic. We're going to use plastic in this case as we have it right here, but you can actually put your hand as well and put it with your finger. It comes out pretty easy. forgot one screw there, so that's why it wasn't coming out. So you see that it's coming out now. Now where the hard drive is located, so we can just remove the hard drive from the side. It hasn't got any screws on or anything, it's just a removable there, nice and easy. Just unplug it. Just remove it out of the cover so that you make it ready for the other hard drive to actually be installed. On our case, we have one same one, so we can install, but you can install other one if you want. It doesn't really matter, as you if your hard drive has gone, so you probably want to install new operating system on it anyway. Once we push it on the place, we are done with installing the hard drive. So obviously what we have to do is just put the cover up, make sure that the clips are properly installed, install the fake CD-ROM, and then put every screw that you took out, put it back in. I hope this helped you guys in any way, shape or form. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, any disagreements, please comment below. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.